Okay, we will discuss some dimension formula of physical quantities. Yesterday I have told you there are 7 fundamental units, 7 fundamental quantities. Those fundamental quantities are length, mass, time, luminous intensity, electric current, and temperature and amount of substance. Their units are called fundamental units. The derived unit are based upon fundamental units. So if we are writing in the terms of any derived formula can be written in the terms of fundamental units. If we are representing fundamental units by some specific word, like that I have told the unit of length is written by L, mass, unit of mass is written by M, unit of time is written by T, same way temperature K and electric current I. So if you are writing any derived formula in the terms of L, M, T, I, A, so these are called dimension formula. I am going to write some dimension formulas here. Firstly, I am taking area, physical quantities I am taking area, volume, density, velocity, acceleration, force. We are going to write the dimension formula of these physical quantities. Okay, see here, first physical quantity I have taken area. See here, what is area? Area is equal to what? Length into breadth. Length, fundamental quantities, length is represented by L, breadth is also in the terms of meter, that is also L, so that becomes L square. So what will be the dimension formula of area? If we are writing here, L square, M is 0, T is 0. The dimension formula of area is L square. There is no terms of fundamental units kg and second, so you will write power 0. So M power 0, T power 0. Same way if we will go for the volume. Volume is what? Length into breadth into height. Length, breadth, height. So this is L into L into L. So that is LQ. So if we write here the dimension formula of volume, so this is LQ M0 T0. Same way if we go for the density. So what is density? Density is mass upon volume. Mass, fundamental quantity, in dimensional analysis it is represented by M, and volume. Volume I have find it here, LQ. So M upon LQ. So that will become L raised to minus 3, M raised to 1. And there is no T, so T raised to 0. So if you are writing the dimension formula of density, what you will write here? L raised to minus 3, M raised to 1, T raised to 0. Related formula what we have seen here, density is equal to what? Mass upon volume. Same way volume is what? Length, breadth, height. Area is what? Area is equal to length into breadth. The relation of physical quantity I have given here. By help of this we can find the different dimensional formula. So what is the dimensional formula of velocity? So see here, velocity or speed is what? Displacement upon time. What is displacement? Displacement is length, that is denoted by L. Time is T, so this will become L T raised to minus 1. L T raised to minus 1. So dimension formula of velocity, that is L t raised to minus 1. Here m is power 0. L power you will say 1. So dimension of this is 1, 0, minus 1. Velocity is what? Displacement or distance upon time. Related formula is that. See here, what will be the acceleration? Acceleration, if you'll see, acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Mean acceleration is velocity upon time. If we'll use that formula, acceleration for acceleration, see, acceleration is what? Change in velocity. Velocity upon time. Velocity or change in velocity both have same unit. Velocity upon time, velocity I have found it here, Lt raised to minus 1 divided by t. That is Lt raised to minus 2. What is the dimension formula of acceleration? That is L t raised to minus 2, m power 0, L power 1. So acceleration L t raised to minus 2. Dimension formula of acceleration. Acceleration is change in velocity dv upon dt. Change in velocity upon time. We'll go for the force. What is force? Force is equal to what? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. What is the dimensional formula for mass? That is m, and acceleration I have found it here, L t raised to minus 2. So dimensional formula of force will be L m t raised to minus 2. Related formula, F is equal to ma. Remember one thing I told earlier, that in state board they are writing firstly L, then m, after that t. Sequence is length, mass, time. But if you go in the NCERT books, there is MLT. Firstly they are arranging mass, then length, then time. So there maybe they will write MLT raised to minus 2. There is no change, both are correct. Only sequence what they are using, I am telling you. See, what is work done? Work done is equal to what? Force into displacement. Force into displacement. Dimension formula of force, L m t raised to minus 2. Displacement is L. If we are combining this, multiply the L into L, that will become L square, m t raised to minus 2. Dimension formula of work is L square m power 1 t raised to minus 2. Related formula, force into displacement. Work done is equal to force into displacement. Momentum. What is momentum? Momentum is mass into velocity. Dimension formula, mass m, velocity I have found it here, L t raised to minus 1. Dimension formula of momentum is L m t raised to minus 1. This is the dimension formula of momentum. See here, for kinetic energy what happened? Momentum I have told, momentum P is equal to mv. Related formula is that Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to what? Half mv square. See here, half, this is a numerical term that have no dimension. M is, mass is m, and velocity, I have earlier find velocity is L t raised to minus 1 square. This is m L square t raised to minus 2. We'll go for the kinetic energy, that is what? L square m t raised to minus 2. If we'll see here, work done, kinetic energy, same way if we'll go for potential energy, mgh, if we'll apply the formula, if we'll find the dimension formula, so they all are same. They are same type of physical quantity. That's why dimension formula are same. The work done, kinetic energy, potential energy, heat, all have same dimension formula. Related formula is half mv square. Here related formula potential energy is mgh. G gravitational acceleration, acceleration gravitational acceleration, both have same dimension formula. You can see here acceleration or gravitational acceleration, G, both have same dimension formula. Okay, go for the pressure. Pressure is what? Force upon area. Force has dimension formula. Here I have finded L m t raised to minus 2 divided by area. Area I have finded early, that is L raised to 2. So this will L raised to minus 1 m t raised to minus 2. So pressure has dimension formula, that is L raised to minus 1 m t raised to minus 2. Pressure P is equal to what? Force upon area. Related formula L power minus 1 m t raised to minus 2. What is power? Power is equal to what? Work done per unit time. Work done upon time. Work done I have find it. Work done L square m t raised to minus 2 divided by time, that is t. That will become L square m t raised to minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Power L square m t raised to minus 3. Related formula power is equal to work done upon time. If we go for impulse, actual impulse is change in momentum. Change in momentum mean what happened? Momentum and change in momentum both have same physical quantity, same dimension formula. Momentum has dimension formula what? L m t raised to minus 1. The impulse is also L m t raised to minus 1, because change in momentum and momentum, difference in momentum, they have same dimension formula. In dimensional analysis, meter minus meter is also meter. That's why L m t raised to minus 1. Here impulse is equal to change in momentum or force into time. By the way, same formula you will get the same dimension formula. Okay, next we will see electric current. So current, you know, current is denoted by I. Here L0, M0, T0. I raised to 1. Current is fundamental quantity. See, some books will represented dimension formula of current, they are representing by A. So both are correct. I R A. So here we will take electric current as from your state board textbook. So they are dimensionally they are representing by I. See, what is charge? Dimension formula. Charge is equal to what? IT. T has dimension T and I has I. So dimension formula of charge is equal to what? L0 M0 T raised to 1 I raised to 1. Q is equal to IT. Dimension formula of electric intensity. What is intensity? Force per unit charge. Force per unit charge is known as electric intensity. Force has dimension formula. Earlier I have told you this is Lmt raised to -2, mass into acceleration. And charge I have found Ti. So that will become Lmt raised to -3 I raised to -1. Electric field intensity dimension formula is Lm T raised to -3 I raised to -1. Related formula F upon Q. What is electric potential? 10th standard you have studied. Potential V is equal to W upon Q. Dimension formula of W, work done, L square M T raised to -2 divided by Q. Q is Ti. So if you will solve it, L square M T raised to -3 I raised to -1. So dimension formula of electric potential L square M T raised to -3 I raised to -1. Formula related W upon Q. V is equal to W upon Q. See here, what will be the formula for resistance? By Ohm's formula, V is equal to IR, R is equal to V upon I. V I have found it here, L square M T raised to -3 I raised to -1 divided by I. So there will become I raised to -2. L square M T raised to -3 I raised to -2. R is equal to V upon I, ohms. What is resistivity? R is equal to what? Rho L upon A. So rho is equal to what? R into A upon L. R I have found it here, L square M T raised to -3 I raised to -1. Area is L square, length is L. So that will become L raised to 2 plus 2 4 minus 1 3. So L raised to 3. So this is L raised to 3. Others are same. I raised to -2. Formula related, rho is equal to R A upon L. Conductance mean 1 upon reciprocal of resistance. The reciprocal of resistance, that is all becomes, power becomes negative. L raised to -2 m raised to minus 1 t raised to plus 3 I raised to plus 2. Same way, conductivity. Conductance is reciprocal of resistance. Conductivity is reciprocal of resistivity. So conductivity, all power becomes negative. L raised to minus 3, m raised to minus 1, t raised to plus 3, I raised to plus 2. You can find the conductivity. Same way, if we'll go for the electric flux. Flux is equal to what? Electric field into area. Electric field into area. So you have seen here, what is the dimension formula of electric field? That is L m t raised to minus 3 I raised to minus 1. So electric flux is electric field into area. So that is L m t raised to minus 3 I raised to minus 1. Area is L square. So that will become L raised to 3. L raised to 3 m t raised to minus 3 I raised to minus 1. What is capacitance? Capacitance is charge per unit volt potential. Charge per unit potential, Q upon V. Q is equal to CV. So C is equal to Q upon V. Charge has unit dimension formula TI. Voltage, we have founded electric potential L square m t raised to minus 3 I raised to minus 1. If we'll solve it, so L raised to minus 2 m t raised to 1 minus minus plus 4 and I raised to 1 plus 1 2. So capacitance has L raised to minus 2 m power 1 t raised to 4 and I raised to 2. So capacitance has related formula C is equal to Q upon V. C is see here magnetic induction. F is equal to QVB. V is velocity. R IBL. This both formula, any formula we can use. It is better B is equal to F upon IL. Force L m t raised to minus 2 IL. What happened? LL cancel out, mean L power 0 m power 1 t raised to minus 2 I raised to minus 1. Magnetic induction is L0 m t raised to minus 2 I raised to minus 1. Formula I have used, F is equal to IBL, B is equal to F upon IL. Magnetic flux. Electric flux phi A, magnetic flux phi B. Electric flux is electric field into area. Here magnetic flux is magnetic field induction into area. So B I have found it here. Area L square, that will be L square m t raised to minus 2 I raised to minus 1. Related formula B into A. Here moment of inertia. It is also denoted by I, moment of inertia. That is sigma mr square. Mean mass into distance square. Mass m, distance is L. ml square. Moment of inertia is L square m t raised to 0. I is equal to mr square. Force constant. Force per unit length. Force per unit length. That is force constant. Force is L m t raised to minus 2 divided by L. L cancel out, or L power 0. So that is L raised to 0 m t raised to minus 2. This is force constant F upon x. See here, angular displacement. Angular displacement or angle is equal to what? Arc upon radius. Arc is length, radius is also length, that is L power 0. Mean angular displacement, unit is radian, that have no dimension formula. You can write it 0, 0, 0. Theta is equal to arc upon radius. Same way, angular velocity. The rate of change of angular displacement per unit time, that is angular velocity. This is L power 0 upon t. So that is t power minus 1. Angular velocity has dimension formula t raised to minus 1. Denoted by omega. Omega is equal to theta upon t. Same way, angular acceleration. The rate of change of angular velocity. Rate of change of angular velocity is angular acceleration denoted by alpha. Angular velocity is t raised to minus 1 divided by t, that is t raised to minus 2. L0 m0. Alpha is rate of change of angular velocity. One is torque. Actually, torque, that is force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. Force has dimension formula L m t raised to minus 2, and distance, perpendicular distance is length. That will become L square. L square m t raised to minus 2. Related formula, torque is equal to Rf. Angular momentum. Moment of linear momentum. Linear momentum into perpendicular distance. Linear momentum, that is m L t raised to minus 1, and R is L. If you are combining, that is L square m t raised to minus 1. Angular momentum R into P. Linear momentum into perpendicular distance. Next visual quantity I have given stress. What is stress? Stress is force per unit area. Force has dimension formula divided by area. So that is L raised to minus 1 m t raised to minus 2. Shear strain. Actually, strain is change in length upon original length, or change in area upon original area. Length upon length, L power 0. You can say here L0, M0, T0. Dimensionless quantity. Strain, change in length upon length, or change in area upon area, change in volume upon volume, ratio of change in configuration to original configuration. It is ratio, that's why dimensionless. What is elastic constant? Actually, stress directly proportional to strain. So one constant is there, that constant is known as elastic constant. Elastic constant is stress upon strain. Here you will see strain has no dimension. So dimension of stress is dimension of elastic constant. So that is L raised to -1, M T raised to -2. Here you will see dimension of stress, dimension of elastic constant, dimension of pressure, all have same dimensional formula. L raised to -1, M T raised to -2. That is the elastic constant. Elastic constant is what? Stress upon strain. Elastic constant is also coefficient of elasticity. It is also known as Young's modulus of elasticity, or bulk modulus of elasticity, or modulus of rigidity. All have same name. Elastic constant. Okay. In elasticity chapter that will be explained. What is surface tension? Actually, surface tension is what? Force upon length. Force we know. Surface tension, force upon length. Force L, M T raised to -2 upon L. LL cancel out. That is M T raised to -2. L power 0 you can say. Here a very most important coefficient of viscosity. One formula is there, coefficient of viscosity. F is equal to 6 pi neta RV. By this formula, this is neta, coefficient of viscosity. F upon 6 pi R.